So in this video you will gonna see how you can create your Twitch banner. So you need to upload your Twitch banner. So in Twitch you have to update your profile. So let me show you how you can do it. So now we are on a screen. So as you can see, this is my screen. So this is canva.com. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can design. So as you can see, this design made by Canva, but I'm gonna edit it, I'm gonna design it and redesign it for you guys, so you can create your own and customized design for your Twitch banner. So as you guys already know about that, my brand color is yellow or dark light orange theme. So you can select your theme. So right now I'm gonna edit my display photo. So here it is. So if you wanna add your photo in a round or a circle mode, so you need to select the circle. So you need to select the there is an option graphics or an element. You need to add the element. This is the circle element. You can browse different photos and different photos. These are the uploads. So you can upload your own image. So as you guys know, this is my logo. So I'm uploading my logo in that circle. So that's how you can create your own banner for Twitch. So hope you guys like the video. So if you like the video, so please give the thumbs up.